Hey guys, welcome back to the newest video. Today we're going to be doing a drop test of an iPhone 14 Pro, an iPhone 4S, Samsung phone, and an Alcatel phone. Let's get this started. Keep in mind that the iPhone 14 is iCloud locked, so I can't do anything with it. We got the iPhone 14 Pro first. Starting off. Waist height on the side. 3, 2, 1. Nothing major for damage yet. Back was already kind of broken. Alright, on to the iPhone 4S. iPhone 4S on the side. 3, 2, 1. Nothing to report. Alright, now the Samsung phone. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Alcatel phone on the side. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. iPhone 14 Pro on the back. 3, 2, 1. That bounced. Back looks the same though. iPhone 4S on the back. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Samsung on the back. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Alcatel on the back. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Onto face down. iPhone 14 Pro on the face. 3, 2, 1. Looks about the same. No damage yet. iPhone 4S on the face. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. We got some cracking already. For the 4S. Samsung phone, waist height, face down. 3, 2, 1. Damage looks about the same. Alright, Alcatel on the face. 3, 2, 1. Looks the same. Head height, side. iPhone 14 Pro on the side. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, there's some nasty denting right here. Back looks the same. Front looks the same. iPhone 4S on the side. 3, 2, 1. There's some bad denting right here on the stainless steel. Back is the same. Front is the same. Samsung on the side. 3, 2, 1. There's a bit of scuffing right here. Front is the same. Back is the same. Now for the Alcatel. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's separated. Besides that, it's still the same. No major damage. iPhone 14 Pro on the back. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's some bad cracking right here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some cracking from up here all the way down to here. Besides that, it's the same. On to the 4S. On the back, 3, 2, 1. How did that survive? Front looks the same too. I don't know how that survived. Samsung on the back, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Alcatel Tetra on the back, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. iPhone 14 on the face, 3, 2, 1. Holy, this entire bottom strip is destroyed. There's some cracking right here. Somehow the screen still works, but there is some green lines at the bottom. Starting to get bad. Onto the 4S. 4S on the face. 3, 2, 1. It did get worse. So the Samsung phone on the face. 3, 2, 1. Cracking did get a little bit worse at the bottom. Besides that, it's the same. Alright, now the Alcatel. Let's see if we can break the screen finally. 3, 2, 1. Yes, we finally got some cracking on the Alcatel Tetra on the screen. Alright, on to 8 feet. iPhone 14 Pro on the side. 3, 2, 1. We got some really bad denting now on the phone. Cracking did get a little bit worse on the front. Screen is still fine. 4S time. iPhone 4S on the side. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there is a microchip on the back glass. There's some bad denting right here. The front cracking did get worse. Alright, Samsung phone on the side. 3, 2, 1. Says that it's fine. Now for the Alcatel. Alright, Alcatel phone on the side. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I did that wrong. So the cracking did get a little bit worse on the front. Alright, on to the backdrops. iPhone 14 Pro on the back. 3, 2, 1. Damn, that damage got really bad. Around the camera, all of it's missing. This case around the camera is really bad. Back is really bad. Front looks the same. Alright, okay. iPhone 4S On the back, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the back is broken. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And looks about fine. Alright, time for the Alcatel on the back. 3, 2, 1. So the back looks like this. Nothing new. Nothing different. Alright, time for face down. iPhone 14 Pro on the face. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it still works, even while it's all cracked like this. Let's do it one more time. Run it back. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I don't know how, but it does. Let's just do one smack for sure. Yep, it's good. It's perfectly fine. Alright, iPhone 4S, face down. 3, 2, 1. So a lot of glass just flew off the back. This is the front. Looks almost the same. Okay, so now the Samsung phone. Face down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got some more damage here. As you can see, back looks the same. Alcatel Tetra, face down, 8 feet. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. So the result of the Alcatel Tetra. And this is the final result for the iPhone 14 Pro. Lines up there, some blinking over there. The screen somehow still works. I don't know how, but it works. Okay, so update on the phone. The screen has turned completely white. There's nothing there. However, the screen still does work at the top. LiDAR sensor works. And you can unlock the phone. Besides that, it's pretty much done for. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick bend test. Yep. That's gonna last long. Alright, this one. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.